Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well and safe at home. This video is the continuation of our previous video, that is endocrine system. In this video today I will be discussing about the adrenal gland, which is also very important gland of our endocrine system. So let's start with adrenal gland. Okay, adrenal gland. First you have to know the situation, location of the adrenal gland. Okay, this adrenal gland. See, this is our kidney. Okay. This is our kidney, and over the kidney there is a crown-like structure. There is a crown-like structure present. Okay. This is called adrenal gland. Adrenal gland. So most of the time question has been asked in your board's exam that which gland is associated with excretory system, that is adrenal gland. Okay, now the location of the adrenal gland is over the kidney. Now whenever you will see the cross section of adrenal gland, what you will see, this is the these are two part of this gland. The outer is called adrenal cortex and the inner part is called adrenal medulla. Okay, this is a two division of adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla. Okay, now one thing which is very important, whenever you will talk about the division of adrenal gland, you have to mention here a cortex and a medulla, because cortex and medulla is also the division of kidney. So there you will mention R cortex and R medulla, and in the case of adrenal gland the two divisions are adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla. Now we'll discuss about the hormones secreted from adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla. I'm making the chart. Okay, now adrenal, this is our adrenal gland. Adrenal gland, it has two division. Okay, it has two division, adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla. First we'll discuss about adrenal medulla. Okay, it is also named as fight and flight. Fight or flight hormone. Flight hormone. Okay, why it is named so? Fight and flight hormone. Why it is named so? Because when our body is in excitement stage or in any aggressive stage, in this condition, what happen? Hormone releases. Only in this condition, a hormone releases from adrenal medulla, and this hormone is known as adrenaline hormone. Adrenaline hormone. Okay, this is also known as fight and flight hormone, because in the excitement stage this hormone makes our body to fight or to flight from that situation. What happened whenever we are in aggressive stage, whenever we are in fear stage, different condition occurs inside our body. Either we fight with that situation or we flight with that situation, we run away from this situation. So all these are controlled. This hormone, adrenaline hormone, makes our body to fight or to fly away from that situation. So in this situation, only only in the excited stage this hormone is secreted. Okay, in the normal stage, in normal condition, no adrenaline hormone will be released from our body. Okay, only in the excitement stage. Sometimes a snake comes in front of you. In this condition, what happens? fear generates in your body, sweating occurs, heartbeat will be increased, means adrenaline hormone started releasing, and it makes your body to fight with that situation. Okay, so this is adrenaline hormone. So whenever you will learn about the hormone, we should know the what happened in hypo and hypersecretion of this hormone. Hyposecretion means no excitement stage, and hypersecretion means there is a excitement stage. So what are the condition occurs in this stage? Number one, conditions. Number one, heartbeat increases. Heartbeat increases. Okay, increases. Number two, pulse rate will be increased. Pulse rate increased. And number three, what happened? Blood supply will be increases. Okay, our blood pressure will be increases. All this condition occurs in this case. Okay, in the case of, because of the oversecretion of adrenaline hormone. Okay, so this is about adrenaline hormone. Now we'll discuss about the cortex hormone. Cortex, adrenaline cortex. Hormone released from the cortex is called cortisone, corticoid or cortisol hormone. So corticoid, it is of two types. Mineralocorticoid, corticoid, and the second is glucocorticoid. Okay. Mineralocorticoid, it controls the potassium and sodium metabolism. Okay. It controls. And glucocorticoid, gluco means glucose. That means glucose produced because of the metabolism of protein, fat and carbohydrate. Glucose, which is produced by the metabolism of protein, fat and carbohydrate, it is totally controlled by glucocorticoid. How protein and fat and carbohydrate will break down inside our body to produce glucose, it is controlled by glucocorticoid. That means protein, fat, carbohydrate, metabolism controlled by glucocorticoid. Now one more type of corticoid hormone is there, which is called sex corticoid hormone. Sex corticoid. Okay, it is responsible for the appearance of sexual character in children. Okay, sexual appearance. It controls the sexual appearance in children. Okay. Oversecretion of sex corticoid hormone leads to immature sexual development inside the body. Okay. Undersecretion and oversecretion. Oversecretion leads to immature sexual growth in children. Okay. And now we'll discuss about the over and hyposecretion of corticoid hormone. Okay. I hope you understand. If you want to write this, you can take a screenshot from here and you can make a notes. However it is given in your book, everything is given in your book. Now, hyposecretion of corticoid hormone. corticoid. Hypo means less. Okay. It leads to a disease which is called Addison's disease. Addison's disease, which causes hypoglycemia. Okay. Okay, hypoglycemia means less glucose. Okay, whenever condition arises inside our body because of Addison disease, what happened? Because of Addison disease, hypoglycemia occurs, that is less glucose level inside our body, and the condition arises because of less glucose in our body, that is letharginess, that is low blood sugar level, and so many conditions are there because of hypoglycemia. And most of the times it is asked in your exam that what is why hypoglycemia occurs inside our body. It is because of hyposecretion of corticoid. Which hormone is responsible or for the disease called hypoglycemia or Addison's disease? This is hyposecretion of corticoid hormone. Now, the hypersecretion of corticoid hormone, hyper means more. Okay, it leads to Cushing's syndrome. Okay, Cushing's syndrome, that is hyperglycemia. Okay, in this case what happens, glucose level is increases inside the body. Glucose level is increasing inside the body. Okay, and whenever the more glucose level, that means high pressure, glucose comes through urine, thirst, every time you feel thirst in this condition, that is hyperglycemia, and it is because of hypersecretion of corticoid hormone inside our body. So this is all about the adrenal gland and the hormone releases from the adrenal gland. I hope you understand this video. If still you have any problem or any query, please ask your question in my comment box. In our further video, we will discuss about some more glands. Pancreas and thyroid gland is there in our syllabus. We'll discuss in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye everyone.